It's an escape. A hiding place. This is your home.
No, this was my home, but I can no longer enter its borders. Therefore, I have a new home.
So you're just gonna throw in the towel and go back to your fake new life?
Look, my fake new life ended when Enzo decided to kill my not-so-fake girlfriend, Ivy. So I am going to go home, pack up, and start over. Again.
By pretending like your life here never existed.
You'd be surprised how easy it is to forget the past, Elena.
But I'm not buying it. You lost your brother. There's no way that you're fine.
You do not have to worry about me. It's not like I haven't done this before. I have a system.
Show me. Prove to me that your system works. If I believe that you actually are happy, then I'll let you go. But if I don't buy it, which I probably won't, I will keep harassing you until you come home. And I'm talking about like Enzo-sized harassment. Deal?
Sure. And what about our runaway girl, Sarah?
Well, we can't set foot in Mystic Falls, so now it's up to Matt and Jeremy.